What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best action cameras to buy right now. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
If you want to push boundaries, you gotta go find them first. Introducing Osmo Action 3, an ultra-durable, professional-grade action camera designed to go beyond limits. Anywhere you find them. A new quick-release design gives you a rock-solid connection to mounts, along with all of the accessories you use the most. Level imaging performance with 4K 120 and a super wide FOV for breathtaking footage. Even your wildest rides look immersive and super smooth when you enable Rocksteady 3.0. And keep any shot level with Horizon Steady. Stay ready for any moment with a battery that charges fast and delivers stable performance, even when it gets cold, like real cold. It's also smart, with AI that makes your selfie stick disappear with a touch. Optimized power consumption on Osmo Action 3 gives you a 160-minute max recording time and lets you shoot for more than 90 minutes in 4K 60.
Slow motion.
Dive deeper with a robust waterproof design that lets you go as low as 16 meters without adding any waterproof accessories. A built-in color temperature sensor provides more accurate color underwater and during transitions. Wet hands? No problem. Hydrophobic screens mean you can still control the camera seamlessly. A smart charging case lets you power up fast and check your levels with just a glance. And get crystal clear, high-quality audio thanks to an innovative microarray that ensures minimal wind noise. Wherever your next adventure takes you, Osmo Action 3 is ready to go beyond the edge.
So this is the new GoPro Hero 11 Black, and this brings some massive upgrades, starting with a new, larger sensor, next generation image quality, class-leading stabilization, and a ton of new features that will absolutely transform how you can use a GoPro. Now, the hardware itself hasn't changed in dimension from the GoPro 10, so you still get the same compact design. You have dual LCD screens on the front and the back. You have those built-in GoPro folding fingers on the bottom of the camera, and this means all of your favorite GoPro accessories, even cases for the GoPro 10, will continue working on this GoPro Hero 11 Black. And there are a ton of them out there. My favorite is actually this one. This is called the Media Mod, and it basically turns your GoPro into the perfect vlogging setup. So you have an actual microphone, directional microphone, a windscreen, cold shoe mounts, 2 of them actually, and a 3.5 millimeter accessory port for adding additional audio inputs. So combine this with your GoPro, which has a wide-angle lens and a front-facing screen, and this literally has everything you need to be a perfect, compact, and lightweight vlogging setup.
Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're out here at the Boise Bike Park.
Now in the box, you get a GoPro Hero 11 Black, USB cable, mounting buckle, curved adhesive mount, and a thumb screw to attach it all together. You also get the same rugged durability that GoPro is known for, so you have a waterproof rating of 33 feet, and that's without adding any extra waterproof housings or cases, which actually allow it to go even deeper. Now the camera also comes with GoPro's new Enduro battery right in the box, and this gets you improved cold weather performance and longer recording times overall. Now, the center of attention is definitely the new larger sensor, because this sensor does way more than just improve image quality. GoPro actually took the size of the old sensor and increased it vertically, so now the new sensor has an aspect ratio of 8:7, and this adds a ton of functionality to the camera.
Built for the next level image quality. It combines 9 pieces of glass. 4 of the 9 are spherical lenses, and with a half CMOS sensor. AKASO Brave 8. You can get 48 megapixels photos, 8K time-lapse videos, smooth moments with 4K, 60 frames per second, and capture more details in 16 times, slow motion than 8 times. AI face metering detects human faces smartly. Super smooth shoots images and videos with gimbal-like steadiness. The waterproof body helps you see the world down to 33 feet. Boosted battery guarantees longer duration. Connect the camera with app. You can preview, edit, and share your life instantly. Let this remote control help you see scenes with a master stroke. Trust me, it is better than ever. Brave 8. Next level, nothing less.